say Libra was something of lit a bit of a fire. This is something we've been focused on digital currencies for a couple decades. This is something we've been focused on digital currencies for a couple decades.
Welcome back to the Cryptoteacher. And guys, please like and subscribe. Remember, it's absolutely free of charge to like and subscribe. I received over 100 emails asking what's next for crypto. So we're going to go over that. My first topic is going to be the Fed. Because remember, the Fed is pumping cryptos and the stock market. Don't forget, in 2017, the reason why cryptos went crazy was because the Fed was pumping Tether, and then Tether pumped the cryptos. Then also, 2017, we had the executive order that went into place. So remember, guys, what I also teach you is that it's all planned out. It's just nothing but an illusion. Remember, in my previous video, that everything is predicted. TV predicts things. And then we also had Jerome Powell say that they've been working on cryptos for 2 decades. So we know this is a plan. Everything is planned out. So the Fed right now is going to be pumping $25 billion on the 18th, but you have $30 billion that's going to expire. So that's -5. So we're going backwards $5 billion of liquidity out the market. So cryptos are going to take a little flat line here. So cryptos will take a flat line. Now, because remember, this is election year, guys. They have to keep the stock market up. Now, we're going -5 billion for the Fed, for the repo market. But you have China, who lowered their rates. Remember, guys, this is global. You have a lot of Chinese stocks on the stock market. So that's going to add some liquidity for us, because this is a global economy. This is no longer just about the United States. And remember, China runs all of Bitcoin's mining. But we are going to get liquidity from China, but it's not going to be a lot. Because, of course, they're the second biggest economy. So with cryptos, we are going to flatline, and we also can go a little lower. It just depends on the next couple of days. Now, sometimes when you're swing trading, you do have to sit on the sidelines for a day or two just to see exactly when we hit this bottom. Because right now, over the next 3 days, we're not going to have a lot of liquidity over the next 3 days. So for crypto, we're going to flatline, and then we can go down a little. Now, of course, with cryptos, you may see a little increase, but then we go right back down to where we were at. So right now, the market, as far as with Bitcoin, as I'm doing this recording right now, it's at 96.27. Ethereum is at 255, and XRP 28, and Bitcoin Cash 404. Litecoin is at 72, and Tether is right now at 0.99. Now, Tether is very, very important, guys, because basically when Tether goes into the minus for a long period of time, and I always clock the hours. I always do charts on Tether. I do charts on the Fed, and then I do charts on the cryptos. If you just do a chart on the crypto, you're going to always be wrong. I always do a chart on Tether, chart on the Fed, chart on whatever crypto that I'm looking at. Because without those three, you're not getting the full picture. But guys, we are going to flatline, and then just like I said, we can go a little lower just because we don't have that same liquidity. Now, we do have BOP that's coming up on the 19th, which we normally take a little dip, and then we go back up. So that's what's going to happen this time. Basically we can see that. So we took our dip, and we're making a little increase. But like I said, we're going to mainly flatline. Going up. As far as with Bitcoin, I'm just going to take Bitcoin as an example. Going up 100, going down 100, going up 200, going down 200. That's flatlining. So that's where we're going to be at for the next few days. Now, guys, that's all I have for you. Now, don't forget I have the book Cryptoteacher on Amazon. Also, you can go to btcteacher.com. Learn about the whole full economy. And then also I have the book there. And don't forget about the links, Binance, Coinbase, Bitrue for your coins. And then I also have Robinhood for your stocks. Don't forget every thing's going to have a chip in it. And then also cobalt is, that mineral that you need to make electricity batteries. So it's just like coltan needed for the cell phone. So that's going to be big. But y'all have a great day out there, and thanks for listening.